Okay, it's going to be a video on the assembly of a Razor Drift Trike. So there it is, unboxed. The kids wanted to play with the box, so I didn't get a video of that. But there's all the pieces. So let's make sure we got everything we need. Okay, so assembly looks pretty easy. So first it's just attaching the frame to the rear axle basically. All I'm gonna do is unscrew two bolts that are already installed and then attach the two pieces and then bolt it back together. So here's the frame. Here's the two bolts I need to unscrew, this one and this one. I'm gonna discard this black plastic piece and then just slide it onto this frame. Looks like it slides underneath here. And the front bolt goes there. And this piece, when you get rid of this plastic thing, goes around here. I think the only thing to keep in mind is this grip tape should be facing up. And that's about it. So I'll do that first using the included tools. All right, so next I need to attach the forks, this thing, to the front of the frame over there. It's upside down right now. But so first I just unscrew the tube on the frame there. And then I need to unscrew these two bolts here, just loosen these. And then I just need to slide the tube right there in between here. And then put the bolt through the middle and then tighten these back up. And then the fork should be attached to the frame. I'll do that next. Just says to make sure that you don't lose this little plate on the bottom here whenever you unscrew this. So keep your finger on that. Okay, so you can see I did that upside down and it made it easier so you don't lose a little donut thing underneath the frame. This was kind of hard to do with the wrench, so if you get a socket, maybe it's easier. It says it's a 13 millimeter, so if you got a 13 millimeter socket, maybe use that. Next, we're going to attach the handlebars using these two things. So I guess this clamps around the handlebar and into the top of the forks there. Yeah, the top of the forks have captured nuts underneath, so these are going to screw into the nuts on the forks. So I'll do that next. I put it on upside down at first. The brake should be on the left side. You can see I just kind of started with one, got the handlebar in, then dropped the bolts in, and then kind of did the other one, and then tighten them up a little bit, just so it would hold in place, then adjust it, and then tighten it down all the way. So next is the seat. So I'm just gonna take the bolts that are already in the frame, take them off, those four right there, put the seat on, and then tighten them up. And then hop into the pedals next. So just looks like use the wrench and slide the pedals on and tighten them up. One of them tightens up counterclockwise on the left side, the right side is clockwise, and they're marked left and right. All right, that's it. So you just gotta inflate the tire and put the little flag together and put it in the back of the seat, and it's ready to go. So I'll do that and try it out and let you know what I think.